In summary, metal fabrication is the manufacturing process of cutting, shaping, designing, creating, and molding metal into a variety of different types of products. This process depends on ready-made components to assemble into the desired final product. We provide consistent high-quality metal fabrication services to all our clients on a global scale, and we ensure all aspects of sheet metal fabrication are covered, from laser cutting to ultrasonic welding, in order to achieve the ultimate desired product. A vast variety of metals or their alloys can be used to create the products according to the requirement of our customers. This technique of manufacturing products involves several processes for the fabrication of metal sheets. These processes include cutting, drawing, folding, assembling, forging, machining, punching, stamping, and welding. In order to ensure the final product is delivered, it is of utmost importance to select a reliable and experienced sheet metal fabricator for the sake of quality assurance. Other factors such as resources, material, and production type of metal fabricators are also needed to be taken into account. In sheet metal fabrication, large, flat sheet of steel or any other metals are processed into different structures and products. Tasks involved cutting, punching, stretching, bending, folding, and assembling are organized in this process. And in order to create any desired shape, cutting and burning of metal through sheet metal fabricator are involved. Our highly advanced tools such as laser cut machines and others are needed in sheet metal fabrication. By utilizing such tools, large sections of the metal sheet are cut with the help of cutting torches with less effort. In summary, we make fully specialized welding techniques in our daily process to assemble and form the metal sheets in desired specified position at all times. Precision sheet metal fabrication is used in many industries, including military, automotive, oil and gas, home appliances, and others. What we offer in E&W Engineering are NC press brake, TIG and MIG welding, laser cut, turret punching, insertion press, spot welding, cold metal transfer welding, ultrasonic welding, and also induction bonding. If you want to know more about our services, please contact us today.